Press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss any of my video.
So this is a get ready with me sort of a video, and because Valentine's is around the corner, so I thought of shooting a beautiful Valentine's video with all of you guys. And in this video I would be showing you soft beautiful eye makeup for Valentine's. So yes, let's get started. So I have already color corrected and concealed my face, my under eyes, around my mouth, and I'm also finished with my eyebrow because it's a regular process and it like makes the video so long. So yes, if you want to see my eyebrow routine and my color correction and my concealing routine, so I would be dropping the link in the bottom bar so you can go and check. And now, without wasting anything in this world, let's get started with the video. So for my foundation, I'm using this Lakme Absolute Argan Oil foundation, and I have recently reviewed this, and if you haven't watched it, I will drop the link in the bottom bar so you can go and check. And this is one of the best foundation I have came across. A bit on the expensive side, but it is worth it. So yes, and I love the dropper in it. I would be using a very little amount because it is a soft glam makeup look for your Valentine's. So basically I want a really natural look, so no high coverage thing. A sheer to medium coverage would be just fine for this look. So my foundation is blended, and as you can see, it is giving me a nice sheer to medium coverage, and this is the thing I want for my this look. So now moving ahead to my eye makeup, I would keep my eye makeup really simple, nice, beautiful, soft and glam. I would try to use nice shimmery colors because it's Valentine's. So yes, let's get started. Firstly, for my eyes, I would be using the Kiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I would be using this blusher color right here. It is a really nice, beautiful coral blusher. So I would be using this for my crease. And from the same eyeshadow palette, I would be using this maroon color right here. It is a really nice brownish, maroonish sort of a color, and it is in matte. So with a clean blending brush, I would be just picking the eyeshadow color and I would be placing it on my outer V. And now I will be blending both of my eyeshadow really well so that there are no harsh lines whatsoever. Now I would be using this huge golden gold eyeshadow palette, and it has beautiful colors like golden, reds, whatever you can imagine of. It has beautiful colors, all are in shimmer and glitters. So this it looks like, and it has beautiful colors. So let me see what I would be picking. So I would be using this red color right here. It is a really nice orangey red color, and I would be using it for my outer V for a more glam look. I would be using the same leftover red color on my blending brush, and I would just smoke up a little bit on my eyelids. Now from my Lotus Herbals, it is in the shade, let's see, I can't find the shade, it has rubbed off, but it looks like this. It has beautiful pinks, browns, copper, golden. So I would be using this gold color which has a hint of rose gold in it, and I would apply on my lids. And I'm using a flat shader brush for this. So I have applied the gold color, and now with the help of a clean blending brush, I would just blend out my eyeshadows so that there are no harsh lines, because I don't want any harsh lines. I would gently press the brush against my eyelid so that the red and the golden get merged up and gives me an ombre effect. So for my eyeliner, I'm using this Insight eyeliner, and I bought it from Amazon and I just love it. It is one of the beautiful eyeliner. So as you can see, I have applied a thick layer, a thick coat of liner, winged eyeliner on my eyes, and because it is a soft glam makeup look, Valentine's makeup look, so I've kept my eyeshadows really neutral and soft. But yes, I have focused on thick winged liner which would really bring the focus on my eyes. So this is the purpose of my winged eyeliner. And now my eyeliner is drying out, and I would be applying my mascara. You know, my current favorite is the Essence Get Big Lashes mascara. So I have applied my mascara, and if you want you can also go for falsies, but for me, like, the look is soft and glam, so I have avoid wearing falsies. My mascara just works amazing for me. So now moving ahead, I will be bronzing up my face, and for bronzing up my face I'm using the Bahama Mama from ADS, and it has 3 beautiful shades right here and my chin. So these are the shades right here, and I would be using this one, which is the Cindy Luminizer, and it is a really nice warm color. I'm not going overboard with my bronzer and everything. I'm keeping it really subtle. And now for my blusher, I'm using the Savannah Ultra blusher palette, and it has beautiful shade. You guys, just look at it. It is amazing. And now with a blush brush, I would be picking this coral color right here. It is a nice coral color which would give you a glow from within. So I would be applying it. So you see, it has given me a really nice flush of color on my cheeks, and it is not overboard, and it is not making my cheeks clown cheeks. It has given me the right amount of color on my cheeks. And now for my highlighter, I'm using the same palette, the Bahama Mama from ADS, and it has a beautiful highlighter shade. Let me show you. This is the shade right here, and it is a really nice shade. So with the help of a small fan brush, I would be picking out the shade. It is so pigmented. You see the amount of pigment it has given me? Now with the same highlighter, I would be highlighting my brow bone and also on my inner eye a bit. And now I would be using this ADS Pro Matte Edition liquid lipstick, which is in the shade 415 Peachy Red. It's peach red, so it is a beautiful vibrant red color, perfect for your Valentine's. So yes, I would be applying this on my lips. So I have applied my liquid lipstick and this is the final look right here. You can see I have applied red bold lipstick and I have kept my eye makeup really simple. I have just focused on my eyeliner to just make some extra effort on my eyes, and it looks beautiful. You can carry this look anywhere you want, and this is a perfect Valentine's makeup. So it was easy, I know, and I know you will recreate this look. And if you recreate this look, then let me know in the comments below how was your party and how was your outing on your Valentine's. So yes, this was all for this video and I hope you loved it. And if you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe, because I will be bringing you such amazing and fun videos for you guys. So this was all for this video and I will be winding up my video over here. Bye bye, see ya.